Welcome to the Edivart Elements of Design series. This video is all about line. So in order to create our drawing today, you will need 5 items of stationery from your pencil case. And you're just going to place them on the table in front of you so that you can see them clearly. And we're going to be drawing in pencil. We can do this drawing either portrait orientation or landscape, it's up to you. So just arrange your objects until you're happy with the way that they are laid out. And then you're going to choose a starting point and place your pencil on the page in the right position. Now the rule here is that you are not allowed to lift your pencil. You must draw these objects with one continuous line. It's called contour line drawing, and there are a few little tips that I am going to share with you in order to make your drawing successful. Number 1 is follow the edges of your shape. Number 2 is make sure you overlap your lines. The more overlapping, the more interesting. And the third one is to look carefully at your objects. This is observational drawing, so the goal here is to create a strong connection between your eyes and your hands. So in order to create a successful drawing, you need to be looking more at your objects than you are at the drawing on the page. So I'm just pausing here because I've come across an unfamiliar shape, and I'm going to look very carefully at it before I start to draw it. So it's okay for you to pause and look carefully at your objects. Just make sure you don't lift your pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and finish drawing my objects, looking very carefully at their shape and their size and their proportion to one another, and I still haven't lifted my pencil off that page. The more I overlap my lines, the more interesting my drawing gets. Now when I think I've gotten to the end of drawing my objects, I'm just going to pause and hold my pencil there to check my work, and once I'm happy I can lift it off, and that's our drawing done. This task is not about creating realistic drawings. It's about using line to create an interesting composition of simple objects without worrying too much about whether or not our drawing looks real. So I hope you enjoyed the process. Now it's time to move on to our next element of design.